Good afternoon and welcome to the Q-SYS booth here at InfoComm 2026. My name is Steve McCary. I'm a Platform Integration Manager here at Q-SYS, and I want to talk a few minutes about our newest video product, the NVM. So the NVM runs off of our MediaCast protocol, as opposed to NV, which runs off of Shift. These are our encoder and decoder devices. The encoder has 2 HDMIs on it. The decoder has 1, and this is combined with a system that we have inside of our software that will allow you to quickly and easily and rapidly deploy large-scale distributed video systems. And as you can see over my shoulder here, we are doing a live demonstration where we are actually going through and creating an entire system in less than a minute and a half or so. Very easy, very clean, very quick, and very scalable. So thank you so much for joining us. You can see more information about this at qsys.com.